Hi, in this video we will learn how to create a line graph with multiple lines in Excel. Here I have sales data for 3 people, Ali, Sarah and Usman, shown across different months. Step 1. Create a line graph for 2 people. First, we will create a graph for Ali and Sarah. Select the months column along with the sales data of Ali and Sarah. Now go to the Insert tab. In the Charts section, select a simple 2D line chart. The line graph will instantly appear. You can move the chart by clicking and dragging it from any blank area. You can also resize the chart by dragging it from the corners. Step 2. Add a third line, Usman's data. Now we will add Usman's data to the same chart. Right-click on the chart and click Select Data. You will see Ali and Sarah already listed. Click on Add. In the series name, type Usman. For series values, click on the small Upload Select icon and select Usman's data cells. Click OK, then click OK again. Now Usman's data will appear as a third line on the graph. Step 3. Edit existing data. To edit any data, right-click on the chart and go to Select Data again. Select any person, for example Usman, and click Edit. Here you can change the series name, for example, rename it to Usman 1. Change the data range, for example, select 8 cells instead of 12. Click OK to apply changes. Step 4. Hide or remove data. You can also hide data temporarily. Untick the checkbox next to a name, for example, Sarah. Click OK and Sarah's line will disappear. To remove data completely, select the name Sarah and click Remove. Click OK and the data will be permanently removed from the chart. Additional tips. This graph is dynamic, meaning if you change values in the data, the graph will update automatically. You can change the chart title by double-clicking on it. You can change colors, styles, and designs from the Chart Design tab. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.